What's up everyone, this is Joe Kaufman. We're with Social Media Masters, and today I'm going to cover a tip on how to turn off and on your notifications from Facebook. It's a very simple task. Sometimes those notifications can be annoying, and then a lot of times there's certain things you want to be notified for if you're active on social media. So you're just going to go to your Facebook page, and you'll click on the account here. And then you're going to go down to the settings and privacy. Click on settings. Alright, then you're just going to simply go here to notifications. And then right now it's going to show you all the notifications that Facebook has. There actually is quite a few of them. So you can go through and just, like, for example, click on, let's do a couple examples for you. Comments. If somebody comments on one of your posts and you want to get notified, you can get notified this way, through email. Or push is just like when it's kind of the notifications up here. And then tags, click on that. Alright, so this is people who are tagging you. So if you want to be notified whenever you're tagged, you can kind of go through here. And just kind of go through and just pick the ones that you want. If you don't want any notifications at all, just go through each one. You can turn those off. And that is how you turn them on and off. Right. Make sure you subscribe to our page for more tips and strategies on social media. And we'll talk to you soon. Take care.